Alright, good morning, guys. Who is online with me today? Today was actually a rainy day, so I couldn't wake up at 7 o'clock. That's why the delay. Alright, so what we are going to do for the new viewers, welcome to the channel. This is OnePunch Algo live streaming. We will be checking the pre-market scanners to find out what stocks are moving today in the morning. And also we are going to check the news of those stocks, shares volume, outstanding shares volume and the float. And once we find a certain criteria, we are going to mark the resistance and support levels, and we are going to give the resistance and support levels for you guys so you guys can follow it as well. And then finally, the big thing, we are going to use the buy and sell indicator OnePunch Algo to check uh, where we could sell for the maximum profit and where we could buy for the maximum profit. And to get the OnePunch Algo, you do need to go to onepunchalgo.com, and there we have all the instructions on how to get the OnePunch Algo. Right now, OnePunch Algo is going for 12.99 a month after 60-day free trial. This is just because I'm giving it away for this year for this price. Whoever signing up for this price will have the same monthly fee for the entire life. But after this year, because of the corona, uh, after this year I will be increasing the price for $29.99. All right, let's get back to work. And hey, good morning everyone who is listening right now. How are you guys doing? Can you guys hear me? Alright, so ACIU is gapping up right now. I'm checking the stock with a 15-minute chart. Let me zoom it here. Under the 15-minute chart, I see a hard sell right now at this minute, so this means it could go down further. The hard sell is given by the OnePunch Algo plugin. So if you don't have the OnePunch Algo plugin, it will look like this. But with the OnePunch Algo plugin, you have a hard sell there. Alright, so let's see what kind of news they have. I'm going to check bar chart. If I can't find anything in bar chart, then I'm going to check Google. Alright, so in bar chart, the last time they have announced any news in July 7th, so maybe Google might have some new information. Normally check from past hour. Yeah, there's something in Seeking Alpha, but with Seeking Alpha sometimes they do repost the same thing, but let me check. Alright, seems like they do have some news around Alzheimer vaccine. Hmm. Let me share the news with you guys. ACU, ACIU. So I do this every day. I check the news and then I'm sharing the news with you guys. Plus, I'm going to add it to my feed that is scrolling down in the bottom. Hey, good morning, Amber. Should I call you Thorn or Amber? ACIU, they do have 70 million shares. How was yesterday actually? Did you guys use the OnePunch algo and the resistance and support levels to make money? Was it effective for you guys? Let me know. ICIU. So the vaccine, they have big advancements, but the estimated primary completion date is on October 2022. So maybe you put this news in your calendar and then put like a 30-day reminder in your calendar, so that way in 2022 September you will get some notifications about the stock. Right now I kind of feel like it might go down further. Hype is kind of grind down right now. If I check 30-minute, that's where the selling indication at 7:30, but with 15, oh yeah, the same place. All right, so I am not actually going to check it any further until I see um, some volume hit in the pre-market, maybe more than 5 million volume, then I will mark the support and resistance levels. All right, going back to next one. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, it's like a cold today in Orlando, and I'm feeling a little something in my throat. Um, all right, just now a new stock came in, fintech. It's moving up fast. Let me check what's going on with it. Hey, Wix. Yeah, that's what I'm checking now. No news in Google or bar chart. You know the next thing where we should check stock with, because sometimes people get inside news. Right, so seems like they announced an acquisition. When was the date? Is this today? Any news about the date? Oh no, yeah, they have. Alright, looks like it is a Chinese stock. I'm going to share the link with you guys so you guys can read. They do have 11 million share float and 38 million outstanding shares. Let me mark the support and resistance levels. I like to check year to date first. Oh, year to date doesn't look nice. For the resistance and support levels, not that. It is going down, it's going up actually. 1 year, 5 year. Alright, let's mark from 5 year. 357. There's a resistance level, but it did pass that level. 610. 5. See if there's anything at 5. Now that's at 525. 728. 2016 it has gone up to 20. Let's see if they have any stock splits. No, seems like a good indicator. Probably this might go actually at that levels. What do you guys think? If everything matches, I would buy a small quantity of shares, maybe 500. Let's mark the support levels as well. I like to mark support levels with blue color and resistance level with green. When the day move on, I also mark some of the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes. Right now it's about to touch that 525. It went up until 515. Is there any support level for that price? Sorry, resistance level? No, right? 3 hours. Oh yes, there is one. 574. That's 574. Let's see here. Yeah, 487. There is one. Anything that I am missing? Yeah, there's 570. Alright, all are done. Going back to 15 minutes. Let's see. Pre-market volume 600,000. The highest it hit was 515. So let's check. Hey, good morning, William. How was yesterday's trading? Gene actually went 300% up, so it was a great day. We did pick Gene, didn't we? MBRV. FTFT, I'm going to add it to my watch list. Let me share you guys these support and resistance levels. One thing I found now yesterday, I can actually share my entire support and resistance level chart and you guys can copy it to your chart. So here is my chart URL. Check out if you can copy it. Who in here has TradingView? I have my link to my TradingView link. You guys can join if you don't have. Also, we bull brokerage account where I am using it to do the trades. Alright, FT, I see a hard sell right now. Volume is picking up for sellers. 623,000 sold. Guys, I will be watching it but not going to jump my guns on this on pre-market. Let's see how it does until 9 o'clock, and after that then we will mark the pre-market support and resistance levels, and then let's see what we are going to do. MBRV. Hey guys, if you have a chance, please subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to like the video so it can get rank. Yep, thank you. 4 o'clock yesterday, they have MBRV does have some news. There's an agreement to promote one of their medicines. Let me share the news with you guys. MBRV, they have more than 140 million outstanding shares and 131 million share float. The problem with this type of stocks, they need to have a great significant news and forward-looking future. If not, people are going to short this as much as they can. Already up 63%, highest was 81%. So that's the hard buy indicator. When was that? July 14, 11, 15, and there was the hard sell. No, it's actually a soft sell. And then if you check with 5-minute yesterday night, well, 5-minute, even though it was like 46% up, so it's hard to capture that stock though. About 1 minute, yeah, 35% up in the 1-minute chart. And then as soon as you get the hard sell, even in 1 minute, it went down, and today in the morning started to move up from here, right? Yep. And then hit the highest and went down again, gave us a buying indicator, and then yeah, you can trade it if you want in the pre-market, but at 4 a.m. Alright, so moving forward for the next stock, I'm not going to add this to watch list. I kind of feel like the news is already out there and people took the profit. I might be wrong though. What do you guys think? MBRV is supposed to get a FDA approval, so that's there. Last time when they announced the FDA approval, FDA announced that they didn't had a chance to review their stuff because of pandemic. So the approval date they initially had was um, lengthened. So unknown date right now. At any time they might give. Alright, MBRV is the highest world traded stock today with 8 million shares traded, followed by BOXL with 6.9 million shares traded. So BOXL, what's going on? It's going up. It's up 300%. Oh yeah, 350% in the last 30 days. So why? Why now? Do they have news? Past hour, past 24 hours. No news there. So it could be moving because of their forward statements. Yeah. Alright, so next, ARC, not enough volume. BKYI. BKYI is moving up right now, already up more than 40%. So let's check what's going on there. I'm doing fine, thank you for asking, Ton. How are you? Are you guys safe from this coronavirus issue? I think Florida is growing. Ooh, more than 300,000. So they do have news, but it's just not powerful enough. I'm going to share the news with you guys. BKYI. Yeah, I kind of feel like, man, the news article URL is more than 200 characters, so I can't share it with you guys for some reason with YouTube. So you guys, I will share the title. You can Google it. So they are actually doing it for 50 colleges. So, so this is what I think about this stock. As soon as OnePunch Algo gives us a red signal, we can short it and make money out of that. What about 5 minutes? It does show a good movement. 22 million outstanding shares with 30 million float. So people actually buying in to that news. Well, this is big. The industry is information technology, so information technology stocks are actually having a strong movement even in coronavirus era. So let's go ahead and mark the support and resistance levels just in case. So in the evening or the intraday, if I can see some resistance levels getting broken or support levels getting touched and moved, I can jump in. Mm, yeah, there's a support at 228 and 162. Let's see year to date. Can you check ALT? Yeah, I will check ALT in another few minutes. Okay, just let me mark the support and resistance levels and then we can do that. All right, so do you guys need this chart or no? I just share a screenshot. BKYI. Why I what is the news? Yeah, they had this here. Let me put it in my feed. All right, all good. Going to ALT. Guys, welcome to the channel. ALT, let's see if they have any news right now. July 13, they do have news, but public offering of 15 million common stock. They have a public offering of 115 million common stock on July 13. Hey, good morning, Chris. I was about to ask where is Chris. Hope you guys made money yesterday with Gene, which went up 300%. So William LT, I'm worried about this public offering. 150 million. What is their share float and outstanding shares? They have 27 million outstanding shares. So, So 13 is here and it went down with the news. But OnePunch Algo actually gave a hard buy when it touched the 22 mark, and then since then it has gone up a little bit, 16%. 20-day moving average is actually below 100-day moving average for 15 minutes, but let's check 30 minutes as well. Under the 30 minute, okay, so under 30 minute 20-day moving average just crossed yesterday at 7:30 for bottom, so it kind of feel like going to go down without any positive news. So if you ask me if I'm going to buy in, no, there are two things I'm not going to buy in for this stock. One is this is more than $10 and I don't see and they have actually a negative news about offering $150 million worth of shares. And then the other fact was they have 27 million outstanding shares, right? So yeah, those are the few reasons. But you actually can trade if it hit 22 again and then buy in, and then you can trade both sides. All right, GILL is moving up right now. What's going on? Already 900,000 shares uh, traded. They have 44 million shares outstanding. ALT, do they have options? Fact. Let's see if they have options. Who here trade options or know how to trade options? One time I made 9,800 from $90 with tech data. It was on January, but now the option volatility is too high, so it's hard to make that kind of money. Yes, so they do have option of yeah, so there's an possibility for you to make some money there. Yeah, I will teach you guys. BO Excel. We did check this one before, right? Yeah. GILL. So we did check GILL. Couldn't find. No, there was actually news. I think I didn't check it right. Let me close the other tabs and then just read this one. Agreement extension with lenders. For how long? Has extended until July 23. Until July 23 next week. Yes, I can do that. I'm actually thinking of creating all these screeners and how to put alerts on those screeners so you guys can get phone messages or notifications whenever a certain criteria met based on these screeners. Yes, I can do that. There are a couple of screeners I'm using, oversold and OnePunch screener, which is actually a test that I'm doing to find out breakout stocks based on some patterns and formulas uh, before even the stock is going to break out. So that's one thing that I'm testing. EMA 20 cross 100, that was the one I'm always talking to you guys. As soon as 20 cross 100, then there will be a alert for me. OnePunch day trade is also something to do with my OnePunch Algo plugin, and then the post market and pre-market. I will do a short video for all of them. Jill, I don't know about them. This is just a forward-looking statement. You guys can decide if you think there is something, but I don't. They will take, the people who held for the Jill will try to take it up and then dump it. Yep. So no Jill for me. I'm actually new to YouTube streaming, and plus, I'm not actually very good at what to talk because last 10 years I was a coder, a programmer. Sometimes becoming a programmer and coder with more than 12 languages in programming loses some words in your real life, English words. I do can speak actually and understand more than 4 languages. So there you go. Actual languages and then another 12 program languages. AARC, what's going on? 43% up. Oh, the news is up at last day at 3 p.m. Central Time. Is this Central? Yeah. Small company expected to. Alright, so they might be rearranging the operation strategies. Mm, this is nothing to do with coronavirus. I mean, uh, any vaccine or any kind of stuff like that. They are just saying in the coronavirus era, they are rearranging the way they are doing businesses. And operations about 20 million. About 20 million. Cash flow from operations about 20 million, spite of the reduced sales of approximately 63 million. So operation income was 20 million up, but the sales are down to 63 million. Nah, not going to fall for that. Yeah, actually, you see the hard sell here, and then since then, even the open market was down. Yeah, not a good one. Still, I couldn't find a good stock. BKYI. What was the news I added here? This is about the California community colleges, right? Should I watch it? What is your gut feeling about this? Yeah, it's not enough. Not enough weight in the story. That's how I feel it. Plus, OnePunch Algo also gave a hard sell. BKYI. What about the other stocks? Let's see. Let's move on. LCI, I don't see any good results with the OnePunch Algo, so I'm not going to even check it. They also have 40 million shares outstanding. EBON just now popping up. Computer Processing Hardware International Holdings. EBON. No news in bar chart, therefore let's check Google. Hey, if you are a new listener, let us know so I can welcome you and mention what we are doing here right now. Nippon, why does it have Chinese words? It's a Chinese company maybe? Can we translate? Okay, so they have 5G communication technology. What do you guys think about it? This is EBON. Oh man, 64 million outstanding shares with 74 million outstanding shares float, and current volume is around 279. So still doesn't have uh, good weight in the news, and people maybe doesn't know about that news either. These kind of stuff in couple of years ago, that's actually good news for a whole. But right now the market and um, couple of wars, not wars, actually trade war and stuff like that. I'm afraid to like hold any kind of companies that does businesses with China, just because it's risky, because we can't uh, no, actually we can't actually do anything about any changes in the current political market. So that's why it's best to swing if there is an opportunity. Not enough volume, that's why it's not moving up. So I'm gonna mark it with orange label is what I make when I want to check it back later on. LCI, yeah, it said I'm not gonna check it. So red is what I put when I don't want to actually check it again for today. NXTD, let's check 15 minute. 15-minute chart shows a hard sell at 515. Since then it is going down. 34 million outstanding shares. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna bother with that. FAMI, no. T Dell, no. Dell is also not gonna work because there are 739 million shares outstanding and the price is about 57. This is one where maybe if you do options you can make more money, but not here. Oh, this one, 5 million shares outstanding. That's actually not batty. CON pharmaceutical. Let's see if they have any news that is worth mentioning. "22 minutes ago they do have some news." Track pharmaceutical. File with FDA. Let me share the PR. TCON. Alright, so May 8 they did a similar announcement. Let's see May 8 what happened to this stock. Yeah, it went up a little. Yeah, actually more than 70%, and then kept going down. There's a reverse split on November. No, not a reverse split, actually a split, sorry. So that's not even good. Yep, not gonna fit into my criteria in terms of the news, but I like the outstanding shares volume which is less than 5. So let's check it later again. Kind of feel like today still we don't see anything good yet. Maybe after 9 o'clock, right? Oh, something that I missed. What is this? INWK? Did I miss it? Seems like it. 15 minute. Well, not really. It's actually traded 640,000 shares within the last few minutes, 15 minutes, and the stock is already up 125. LGHL is also up 81%. So let's check what are the news available for both of them. Maybe we can find a good stock right now. And combined global marketing service company. Let me share the news with you guys. Wow, the link is actually too much. Let's find a small link. Yeah, this one works. What do you guys think? When I find this news, is it worthwhile for sharing with you guys in the chat, or should I just skip it? Will acquire inner working for $3. So HH Global will acquire inner working. So who is inner working? Oh, I see. That's why. Alright, so that means a different company is buying INWK for $3. So already price is made and the price was announced. So we can't do anything about it now. It's either gonna hit $3 again or move for 310 or between 290 and 310. So it was a opportunity if we were able to like find out about the deal beforehand, but not. But let's see how the moving averages look like for 30 days. So moving average 20-day moving average was below 100-day when it was July 10, July 8, and then on July 13 it did pass. Since then it moved on. So these are some factors sometimes we can find uh, to find a good moving stock. Let me cancel the replay. Alright, so let's go to the next one. LGHL. LGHL, I can't find any shares volume, so I'm going to Google it. Outstanding shares. Nasdaq is not giving me information about outstanding shares. Outstanding. Why do they not provide those information? Maybe something fishy. Or did I miss anything? Is it a OTC market? No. Lion Group Holding. Nasdaq. Alright, there you go. 20 million shares outstanding. No, this is in India. No, so that means they are not actually sharing all the news or the correct balance sheets. Yeah, so not gonna go after that either. I don't have enough news to make any assessments about this stock. So these kind of stocks I'm trying to not jump in and lose my money. Right, so LG HL and INWK, I'm not going to trade them. But one thing happened, the one I told you guys about the option, how I made $9,000 from $90, it was also a buyout. But what happened, this is when the tech data announced that a private company is going to buy them out. Tech data is a distribution channel in USA, and I had some options which I purchased for fun, like 10 options for 9 cents per call, and Warren Buffett all of a sudden mentioned that he is interested with the tech data company, and he made a bid for like 4 billion, 500 million, 4.5 billion, and then the stock jump up 15% more. And then there are the guys who actually wanted to buy again announced that they are going to buy it for 5 billion, and there was kind of like a bidding war. But Warren Buffett said, "Oh, I'm not going to go with you guys for a bidding war, so I am pulling out." But the stock was up 15%. This stock is hardly going up 15% like that. So that's why I made that 9,000 from $90. It was up 11%, 11,000%. Yeah, so actually like that. Wow, today I can't find any good stuff. Even this one was so future fintech. Did I mention what was the news with fintech in my feed? No, I think I forgot. Now I'm actually forgot what it is. I have to go back and then find it. Oh yeah, fintech is going to buy another company. Sometimes the company that is buying does go down, so will, and this is also in Beijing. Yeah, so the fintech, what happened, they have 38 million shares outstanding with current volume is 2 million, and OnePunch algo is showing me a hard sell at 8 o'clock. Since then it's going down. I think I'm gonna remove it for my watch list for today. Alright, so far we don't have anything nice. We will just watch until 9 o'clock and maybe we will find a good one. For our sake, let's reduce the outstanding shares volume for 50 million so we can find and filter less than 20 stock to check. Well, let's put 30 million here. Alright, so now we have 3 stocks with 30 million shares outstanding and less than $10 worth. Alright, if you guys want to take a 5-minute break, I'm going to drink some tea. Until we find a stock that pop up in my scanner, let's go and check Gene. What happened to Gene yesterday? They had nice news, and like I said in the morning, let's do a replay here with 5 minutes. So I did send you guys these resistance and support levels, right? So let's see what actually happened. So 9:15 and 9:20 stock started to go down. LG HL. Hey Davidson, how are you? Welcome to the channel. Let me check US stock. Alright, so OnePunch algo, let's check with 15 minutes. That's a soft sell here. If it turns into, yeah, that actually turns into a hard sell 2 minutes ago. It's gonna change because we are still inside that 50-minute time frame, so we still have 3 minutes to go. Once the time frame close, then we can understand if the stock is going to go down. But let's check, like you said, how many stocks outstanding. Alright, TradingView doesn't provide those information. I think I checked this one before. You said 1 million float. They have actually 20 million outstanding shares. The news was actually wow, 27 minutes ago, Line announced official launch of total return swap TRS. Let me share the news with you guys. Get the PR from session. Here's the news for the LGHL. About to close with the hard sell here. Just in case, let's mark the support and resistance levels. Normally like to check year to date first. Wow, year to date doesn't provide me enough information, so I'm gonna check with 4 hours. Alright, so I can see the first thing. Yeah, here is one at 361. It's gonna be a support level now. And here is another one at 218. When you have support levels that far, I normally doesn't do pre-market trading, because if the market opens down and then drop down until those areas, then I'm going to lose more than 50% of my initial investment, right? So okay, now the support levels are marked. Let's check for the resistance levels. I don't have information. This is 2007. What's going on? Was it in the OTC market for a couple of years? From 2008, June 18 was the day they started back again. So it might be in the OTC market for a few months. Few years. More than 10 years. Oh my god. Resistance, there's unknown resistance level right now. So the current rate, they went to $750 in the morning. So I'm going to mark that with a different color because it's the highest that it touched today. And previously they had, when they come out from whatever the market they were from, previously they were high at 524. Yeah, 50 minutes is giving us a hard sell, so that's the problem. Did we just had like 5 likes and we dropped 1 like? Man, YouTube is like taking my likes away since the day I started. Yeah, so we are in an unknown territory right now with this stock. So um, I will mark the news resistance levels as well. So here is another new resistance going up, breaking that resistance level. So that's actually a good indicator. Yeah, that's a breakout. So it could go back to 751. What about 1 minute? I could trade right now with 1 minute just to make some money. Yeah, it could go above 7. Well, it can touch 751 and jump back to 620. Alright, so I'm not actually going to trade it because it's about to. Oh, it did hit 9 a.m. So yeah, so everyone is taking. Alright, taking the time to buy in. It did pass the today's highest point, so this could go up. It's actually going up and up. Davidson, you found a good one, I think. How many shares traded so far? 689 dollars. So Davidson was saying the stock information at about 5:30 and now it's already 70% up. Nice. MBRV, yeah, they did had news. They did actually announce. Let me add this in LGHL information into my floating text. LGHL. Alright, so we don't forget. MBRV, so what's going on again with them? Yeah, they did had news yesterday night, so I think I did share this link to the press release, so let me find it out again and share it with you guys. Let's see for a small one. Yeah, this one is okay. Wait, what happened here? No, that's not the correct one. Let's delete that one. Yeah, I can't share this one because they do, well, maybe not. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I can share it. MBRV 15 minutes. I see that is going down since these two. What about the 30-minute? Yeah, there's one here. Let's go back to the LGHL to see what's going on right now. Breaking out really high. That's the next high, 950. So I'm going to add this one just to see if it is going to touch these support levels today in intraday. So let's make some forecast. So if the stock touch 363 and bounce up, then that's a buy for me. If the stock touch it and then kept on going down, then I would wait until it passed back this location 310, and then it's a buy for me. Whatever it does, I want to see any level that can pass. If it goes there, then again if it goes there, anything that is above this point I will buy if it goes down. And the second selling points, if it touch here and gives a red indicator for a red bar, then that's a sell. And here is the same, and here is the same. So, and yeah, here also the same. But anything breaking out, then I'm going to add more. Man, this looks really ugly, so I'm going to delete them. You got the point. LGHL was actually had two news. I kind of feel like one about the a service, and the other one we actually found out about the 5G and stuff like that, right? Was it that stock or this is something else? Today announced the official launch of Lion Lu Gu Tong. It is total returns for service that of Asia. Stock exchange. The news is not actually bad. Davidson, Davidon. Did I see Davidson? No, right? What's your name actually, David? Can I say David? Oh, it sounds like David Onto. Okay, makes sense. Alright, David, welcome to the channel. This channel is about pre-market uh, top movers together with our charts and OnePunch Algo plugin which indicates buy and sell signals. So you guys can check the website onepunchalgo.com. William, I didn't forget about your request about putting the documentations. I'm going to add those this weekend. I was actually busy so much with this week um, trading and work and stuff like that. But I'm going to put all the documentations on how to use the OnePunch algo and how you guys can actually get the maximum profit and how some of my trading setups are. I will put them here in the menu. Once I'm done, I will send you guys a text. You know what? I might have to create a subscription to my email list in my website so I can send some news if I want. Um, so all the new guys, welcome to the channel. I see 9 current concurrent viewers right now. Hey Harshaka, good morning and welcome to the channel. Alright, so LGHL moving in between 751 and 950. Let's see. JILL is also moving right now. So 9 a.m. people start to buy this stock. The highest volume is in NBRV, but they do have more than 140 million shares. BOXL, hello, good morning. BOXL, and they do have 31 million shares outstanding, but today's pre-market 11 million shares traded. So what was the news again with BOXL? Was it the news about the college in California? No, they have something else. They have 2 awards, wins 2 tech and learning awards. Not bad, but not enough for me to jump in. Already the moving averages are like high. 20 100-day moving average on July 8 at 7:30 p.m. Since then, the stock is moving up. Yeah, I'm not going to jump in. MBRV, not sure what's going on here. They had news yesterday night, so about their medicine be able to distribute in United States. That's the hard buy, and then the hard sell was at that point, and then the momentum starts, and then this is 30 minutes. Since the third momentum sell indicator, it is down 5% in the last 2 hours, so kind of have a resistance at that point, so not gonna look for that either. Going back to LGHL, let's see what's going on again. Right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create, well actually today I don't have enough stocks to look out, just the LGHL and maybe a couple of other from the orange list, NBRV, BK, BKYI, but BKYI does have a hard sale at 8:30, so that's done I guess. GILL, it's going up, why? What's so good about extension with lenders? The extension was until July 23. It's not like July 23 of 2021 or 2022, right? Dated as of June 15th, when the extension for to extend the 4% period providing lenders to complete negotiation for. Yeah, so it's apparel brand, too risky because all the retail shops are getting closed. Even though it is moving up, this is because maybe Robinhood uh, traders are starting to buy the stock right now because of the stock is moving up so high. But I kind of smell like it's going to go down in the next couple of minutes once the stock is open. So we still have 13 minutes. I like to check LGHL, how it's going to appear once the market open. With 15 minutes there's a sell, and here's another sell now. R RRD, what is that? Donnelly's RR and Sons. Commercial printing, up 13%. Yeah, not enough. Outstanding shares, I want to see something less than 20 today. TCON, it is going down. FAMY, straight line. Alright, let's check Gene and talk about what happened yesterday. I couldn't finish my talk. Alright, so if you check 5-minute chart, here was the resistance and support levels that we marked yesterday. So it did hit the first support level at 270 and they started to bounce back, and as soon as it breaks out the 279 resistance level, it went up and broke the $3 resistance level and went up and broke 323 resistance level. But the next one, there was an indicator for a sell, and then it went down. So it's trying to like pull back because people are selling at that resistance level, but again a momentum pick up and then broke the support level at 323, so that's another buy, and then it kept on going up. This is a false breakdown, but again it started to pick up and kept on going up until here, the first selling point, because there is another resistance level, and it pulled back, and momentum pick up and pass the support resistance level at 396 and start moving up, hit the next resistance level at 469, stayed in that line and try to touch the next one at 520 and pull down, and the OnePunch algo gave a hard sell here, because everyone is trying to sell at that point. This next 5 minute it did touch the 469 resistance level and start moving in a momentum, so it broke the 520. So 520 was the day's highest number for the day, so it broke out. After that, that's an unknown territory, so it kept on going up, and here is one hard sell, again the momentum pick up, and the next hard sell, and then after that it went down. But you could have like trade it using the momentum pickups and selling it on the hard sell when OnePunch algo is giving you. After the last hard sell, it kept on going down, so that's why the importance of using OnePunch algo, so it is secure for you. You know, it gives you the data you need to like make decisions uh, before it happens. If you don't use a OnePunch algo, it looks like this, right? So when you are starting to trade, then you might be in trouble without knowing what's going on right now. So for the new viewers, OnePunch algo, to get OnePunch algo, you can go to onepunchalgo.com and click get the plugin now. Alright, so going back to the LGHL, I do feel Gene is not done yet. You know, there might be another chance for it to go up in next couple of days, because most of the stocks that went up pulled down and then started to move up back again. LGHL 5-minute chart doesn't look good. That's the hard sell here for 5 minutes, and then the hard sell here for 5 minutes. That's momentum pickup there after the breaking point of the resistance at 523, and then here's another breaking point, so 620 broke out and it went up and then touched the resistance at 950, which is the previous high, and then now pulling down. I'm going to watch LGHL today. Couldn't find a good stock to trade like yesterday and previous day and previous day. Thursday kind of feel like a slower moving day, but let's check SPY. What's going on with SPY? SPY did hit the 323 resistance level, and now it's pulling down. Maybe it could drop down today to 317, but if it breaks down, then it could drop down further away. Yeah, actually there is another small resistance at 314, but support actually. Yeah. Alright, going back to LGHL, gonna check 5 minutes now. Next time, if we have more than 4 stocks to watch, I will prepare a chart where I can share it with you guys, and you guys can use that chart without copying the chart, and put it into a different display, and then you can watch which one is moving faster than the other one, and then see which points where the stocks are hitting the support level, and then buy uh, based on those data. So you can swing trade without having to change the screens. OCGN, did I see OCGN in my alert? OCGN, let's see. No, doesn't look good. I don't know why it gave me an alert. Maybe it's going to go up in the next couple of minutes. I don't know. I'm watching LGHL and maybe GILL. Yeah, but GILL, not enough pre-market volume. Save. So what's going on with Sprit? Sprit is down. Yeah. BioXL. Let's check all the other stocks for now to see if there's any benefit or missing points for us, and then I'm going to close the channel. Oh, TNXP just popped in. Let's see what is the reason for that. 60 minutes ago, announced research collaboration to develop precise medicine techniques for COVID vaccine. And alright, yes, that's a stock for me to buy right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna buy that stock. Give me a few minutes. Alright, so TNXP, I'm going to mark the resistance and support levels. I think this is good news about COVID. This is what we are waiting for the entire day. So let me share the news with you guys as soon as possible. Alright, go ahead and read the news. Ah man, too many links, too many characters in the links. I can't share it with you guys because of the character limitation in the chat. So I'm going to share the title. You guys can Google it and then find out the URL. I'm going to go ahead and mark the support and resistance level for this. 49 million shares outstanding. Alright, but the news is actually not bad. Going back to the 15. Today's high is at 70 cents, so I'm going to mark that as well in a different color. And then this point 60 as a support in a different color. So Chris, William, Ton, you guys are here with me today or already left? Let me share this for everyone. Anyone new to the channel, do you want me to explain what we are doing here? Let me know. At 9:30, I'm going to close the channel right now and have fun, make tons of money today. Bye. Good luck.